Hi everyone, it's Koko Cooks, and today we're gonna cook some rock cakes from Harry Potter. It happens that I have this amazing book which is called An Unofficial Harry Potter Cookbook, and we're gonna try to cook a recipe from this book. Now, to cook rock cakes we will need a few ingredients, and I'll show you which ones. We will need 100 grams of butter, 1 large egg, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 cup of raisins, half a cup of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a bit of cinnamon. And since this is a magic recipe, I will use some of the magic called video editing. So let's see. Flour in, sugar in, salt in, baking powder in, cinnamon in, and butter in. Now I click my hands and it's gonna be mixed. 1, 2, 3. And this is what we have. Now we add milk, 1 egg, and we add raisins. Let's click the fingers again. And this is what we have. Now we have to bake it. Let's bake it. Baking sheet, take a baking spray, spray it a bit. Now we'll put one by one. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. Into the oven. 25 minutes. And this is what we have after 25 minutes in the oven. Perfect. This is what we have in the end. They look great and they taste even better. Now, if you want to have solid rock cakes, just leave them aside for a couple of days, maximum a week, and you will have a perfect rock cakes. Now, thank you very much for watching me. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, hit the dislike button. And subscribe. I'm gonna cook more recipes from this book later. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.